Of the two types of coughs, namely dry cough and a wet cough is very, very important because it denotes excess of mucus, that is a plum in the chest. Actually, it is invariably caused by bacterial infections, unlike the dry cough. The dry cough is very, very common, day to day cough, caused by some viral infections or sometimes exposure to dust, smoke, and all. But any child, if experience wet cough, it is also called protective cough, then you have to give adequate rest, adequate water. And if the wet cough continues for more than 2 weeks, you have to consult a doctor for a good treatment. Otherwise, it may cause future lung issues.